Fast product life cycles, multiple container shapes and sizes, frequent and inconsistent adjustments, excessive downtime, product tipping, shingling, or damage. Your changeover and container handling challenges may be complex. Your solutions needn't be. Septima Tech specializes in turning changeover and container handling challenges into performance advantages. We eliminate variables and replace them with repeatable, accurate solutions that are more efficient, flexible, and easier to use. This means more uptime, higher performance, reduced product loss, and increased throughput. Smart, adjustable guide rail systems reduce changeover from hours to minutes and improve conveying flexibility and control. Multi-lane adjust systems eliminate change parts, lane spacers, and heavy lifting equipment. Cap track adjustment systems efficiently handle any size or shape cap. Custom solutions for complex line configurations and challenges. Rapid exchange, no tool change parts provide a 97% time savings in changeover time. Standard and custom change parts that improve handling, eliminate product loss, or reduce costs. Feed screws and drives that increase performance and flexibility. Smart storage systems for ergonomic and lean parts management. Cap changeover parts. For more than a quarter century, our philosophy has been simple: deliver superior solutions that reduce downtime. Collaboration and listening to your unique needs is the foundation of our approach. To ensure quick lead times and accurate, high-quality changeover parts, we use digital measurement equipment to create a 3D model of your machine before leaving your site. We then validate all design concepts with advanced simulation capabilities to produce first-time right quality before CNC manufacturing. We have designed and built standard and custom solutions for more than 2,600 machine models and hundreds of lines worldwide, packaging millions of products a day. Our technicians install and commission parts to your schedule and fully train your team to perform effective and efficient changeovers. 100% of customers surveyed would recommend Septima Tech to an industry peer. Isn't it time you simplify your changeovers?